Oh, okay. All right, now we're thin. And once you cut them, you can still roll each piece.
Okay.
As you're filling
You see
them.
the paper thin right here on this edge. So I can get even closer.
Right
There you are. Ta-da! Right there is that paper thin. Okay.
Push
Now.
it down so that it doesn't
All
dry.
right. So let's see what we've got going on here. What do we do now?
You cut them.
Cut.
You don't cut them all at once, just at a time.
So it doesn't matter what the shape is.
No.
Right.
All right.
That's 1, 2. This I'll save for when you put prunes in.
Okay.
You want to cover the dough?
Yeah, we cover it.
Cover
Keep
the
it,
remaining.
keep it from drying out because
Okay.
you'll see when you handle it, if it's dry, it's hard to work.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Oh,
hard
yeah,
to work.
you have
So it's not something that you put water on. You just cover
No,
it.
you cover it. You cover it.
Right.
All right.
Once you got the dough made, that's it. The dough is it.
Otherwise,
Alright.
it's egg dough. So,
Yeah.
like I say, it'll dry out.
Ah.
Now,
Show
I'll
her
show-
how to make them and then she'll try. All right,
okay.
well, that's going to be, you have the prunes?
Wait a minute. I'll put the little one under here.
Oh, you're going to do the regular one first? All right.
Yeah. Now, you want to feel what that's like?
Okay. Oh, you can see my fingers through it. And
Now, you know
there
what
we go.
I'm going to do if I want to
Mhm.
make this a little bit bigger? Wait a minute. You can
You
stretch
can still continue to stretch it and even get it thinner.
Thinner. Mhm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right.
Now you pick it up.
Mm-hmm.
See the consistency of that?
Okay. Wow. No, work of art.
Transparent
Look at my fingers right through it. Work of art.
Okay, now we'll do with the potatoes.
I hope I'm not going to get anybody seasick because I keep moving this around. Okay, so a blob of potatoes, just about, tablespoon of,
Not a tablespoon.
Half a tablespoon.
Right, or you know what?
just in the center, always in the center. I do know
Right, you
that.
have to keep these clean.
The edges.
Right, so you can fold it over.
Now what you do, I'll show you, wait a minute.
Hmm.
I don't want none of this on my hands because then I won't be able to seal it.
I know there's a
Bring it over.
zoom, but I can't find it right now. Okay, bring it over and crimp the edges.
Right.
Now this is a lot harder than it looks because they really need to be.
They have to be
knee-height.
sealed.
Yeah, really sealed.
So it's not something you're going to press with a fork or something like that?
Oh,
to do
no,
that,
no,
or
no,
back
no,
of
no,
a
your
spoon? It's all
hands. And
Okay.
you know what? If your fingers get tired, you know what you can do, make it easier?
Call your husband to help you.
No, you know what? You see what I'm doing with the fingers?
That's the cheating
Ah.
part right there.
Okay,
If
well,
you're tired, that's
you're
the-
still using your hands.
Yeah. But-
No cheating.
This way you get them real thin.
Yeah, that's what you would need to do.
See it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I might even
And
have
then
like
flatten.
a smaller.
And then
Okay.
flatten.
There we. Oh, and then you flatten the center to make it a little,
Right.
almost like a ravioli.
Yes. You
See
can-
that dough you can stretch, see
Okay,
it?
so you're still stretching it out. Nicely done. Wow. Okay.
You know what? You see them where they're professionally done with a cup. They're different. The dough is heavier.
I even have one of those dumpling presses. If I had to, if I couldn't do it, but
Yeah.
I would do it by hand as much as I
This
could.
is the old-fashioned way, European way. My mother did not come from Europe, but my grandmother did. Now
Nice.
see that? That's finished.
Oh, wow. Look at that finished product.
There it is.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay.
Nice and light, too.
There you go.
Then
All right.
place
And
them
that's
on-
what we continue to do. And you place it
You know, get some
on.
more towels
Yeah.
out of there.
Place it
the
on a
cotton
towel.
ones.
Do we cover these then, or just?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
you're
and then put
supposed
another
to.
towel
You
on
know
top.
what? Let me see. That's the ripped one.
It's holy.
Okay, that's fine.
We cover up as
This
we
is
go along.
clean, but you know what? From
Actually,
use
the other
over
way.
the
It goes
years,
this
you
way.
see, you can
Of course. Okay, so, and now we just continue to do this?
That's it.
Okay, so I'm
right,
going to
right,
stop
right.
this
Here,
for now.
Here's another one.
I'm going to stop it for